Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to be talking about another exponent rule, which is called the power to a power rule today. So into our notes. So the power of a power property. So remember, the multiplications of the bases mean we add the exponents. So multiplication goes with add, and division goes with subtracting the exponents, right? But today we're going to talk about when we have a power raised to another power. Sorry, the bell's ringing right now. And you can do this several ways. So if we have 2 to the 4th to the 3rd power, 2 to the 4th is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which we can get to be 16. Okay, and then 16 cubed would be 16 times 16 times 16, whichever I do in the calculator would be 4,096. Or we can do it this way. We can say 2 to the 4th 3 times. So that would be 4 2s 3 times. So set of 4, set of 4, set of 4, which gives me all these wonderful 2s, which conveniently is 2 to the 12th. And if I type 2 to the 12th into the calculator, that is 4,096. But we don't want to have to write out 12 2s. Imagine if it was 100 2s. Like, that would be really annoying. So how do we get from 2 to the 4th to 2 to the 12th? And we do that by multiplication, because 4 times 3 will give me 12. Notice my base didn't change. The base stayed the same. But I'm saying that there is 4 times 3 is 12. Okay? And that makes sense because here we have 12 2s, and we had 3 sets of them before. So we can multiply those numbers. So a power to a power, we multiply. And I remember this. I'll show you my little trick here after I erase this. A lot of times the parentheses are a little bit bigger. So I remember it because I can kind of make an X like the old school multiplication sign. So that's how I remember that I need to multiply there. Okay, and what do we notice about the exponents? And we already talked about that. So we're going to try some with variables. So 2 to the n to the 5th. Okay, this would mean n squared times n squared times n squared times n squared 5 times. And if I were to add them up, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 10. So this would be n to the 10th. Or again, I can just multiply. 2 times 5 is 10 and get n to the 10th right away. We've got some more on the next page. So here's the general rule, is that we can multiply the exponents when we have a power to a power. So 3 to the 4th squared would be keep the same base, and I multiply my exponents. 4 times 2 is 8. So 3 to the 8th, and we're done. This one, again, we keep the same base, which is 2a. 5 times 3 is 15. So it would be 2a to the 15th. And again, remember, we're keeping that 2a in parentheses because the entire thing is to the 15th power. Okay. We keep the same base here, so we have negative x to the 4th to the 3rd. So then we would have negative x in parentheses, and 4 times 3 is 12. So when we have a power to a power, we multiply. When we're multiplying the bases, we add the exponents. And when we're dividing with the same base, we subtract the exponents. So those are the 3 rules that we have so far. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.